you have 4 USB ports.
So it has all the connectivities here on the back.
So one is dedicated to iPod and iPhone?
Exactly.
Right. It's only one?
Yes. It's only one, but you can connect. I mean, it will work in the other.
Okay.
So it's a regular connection, and then you will have the other 3 for the for any other
USB devices.
For GSB, for the USB, for anything. Lot for the SD. So really, in terms of music, you have all the connectivity. You have the iPad, you have the USB, you have the live radio, you have the SD card. So all the possibilities.